Did you know that if you're in Canada and you want to learn to talk Jamaican, you have to go to York University? And in the United States, it's Harvard University that's teaching the Jamaican patois. But you don't have to go to all that problem to learn my beautiful language. Just subscribe to this channel and follow me regularly as I talk to you in patois and then give you an idea in English what I just said. You will be helped if you get your copy of Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com. It's written by me, Joan Williams. I'm trying to make these lessons as interesting as possible for you because I know that you would really love to chat like me. So how you do today? Boy, today is a nice day out here. Me say me I chat to a woman the other day and she said to me, then why you not write more book about Jamaica? She love the talk Jamaica because and she love the whole heap of cartoon, but she want me write other things about Jamaica. So me say a 4 book me have on Amazon about Jamaica. What you chat about? Me say me have Tour Jamaica. That is the first one me write. That book they full of picture. It tell you all about we pretty beach, white sand beach, we waterfall, we hill, we valley, all the pretty things. But top of that, it tell you we history. It tell you we culture. It tell you about we music. It have everything in there. Even if you don't go to Jamaica for the rest of your life, you can chat about Jamaica because everything in there. The second one me write are the original dancehall dictionary. Now that one there was a joke. True, me hear the young people them, I use certain word me never hear about in a me life. It no patois, it no English, and a some word that me no understand and me no like when people chat and me no understand. So me hear them as talk about skettle and all bam and fling up and 10-toe turbo and all them things. Me never know them word eh. So me start ask what them mean and them tell me say only them they were them use in dance hall. Them no old people know what them say. So me say, oh, I saw you around the thing. So me go get some dance hall music and me start listen to the lyrics. And me ask people where the word mean and it take me down, you know. Me have one good while me have to work on it I find out from the young people where all them word they mean. But me glad me do it for when me publish it, me find out how dancehall music big in Europe. Me say the European them chat enough language, you know, and then just want to chat plenty more. So and then love the dancehall music and the beat. So that all know. A 6 time me up there the book there, you know. And I know it I do good in Europe. Now the third one, Attack Jamaica. The lady who owned the store, the souvenir store Jamaica, where sell most of my things, my book them. She keep nagging me and she say, I cannot write one book of Jamaican dictionary. All the tourists them want to know the meaning of the word. So me tell me not really had the time. Well, master, me have to find the time in 2016 and me go write it. And it do good. So through the virus of me lockdown in my yard in 2020, me decide to update it. And me love the work, you know. Me love enjoy do them things. Now, I'm yard in Jamaica. Them have plenty nice river and place to swim and hang out, you know. Me and my friend them, we love the outdoor them. So like once a month we pile up with bicycle and we ride go somewhere in the country. Or we drive go somewhere and we hike up in the mountain and we enjoy ourselves. And we find some pretty place where when you drive car, you know, see and you don't know. And me take picture and me write about them and me put in a newspaper. But after a while me say, but plenty people don't read newspaper. Me as well put them in a book. And at that me write Hidden Gems of Jamaica. All them they book them on Amazon. So when I know things say I just start chat Jamaica me write and not that at all. In the previous section I was explaining that a young lady wanted to know why I had not written more books on Jamaica apart from Talk Jamaican. But I have. The very first book I wrote, I think I wrote it way back in 1995 and I've updated it several times. It's Tour Jamaica. It's full of photographs and information about everything in Jamaica. From your culture to your beaches, your waterfalls, to your mountains, everything is in it. And I updated that in 2020 because, you know, the virus has me on the manners at home, so I had time. The second book I wrote was the original dancehall dictionary, and that was done as a joke because I heard the young people using words that I had never heard before in my life. They are not patois, they are not English. And when I started to check out the situation, I found that the young people were using words and phrases in the dance hall that we old people knew nothing about. So I sat about researching it. I bought several dancehall music, listened carefully to the lyrics, and got an explanation from the young people as to what these words meant. And that is how the original dancehall dictionary was produced. And it does very well in Europe because Europeans are very big into dancehall music. I updated that 6 times. The third one, of course, is Talk Jamaica, which you all know about. And Talk Jamaica is what brought about these free lessons I'm giving in the Jamaican language. The fourth one is based on the fact that I love the great Jamaican outdoors. I really think Jamaica is the prettiest country in the world. And on weekends, my friends and I would get on our bicycles, ride to the country, or drive to some river or waterfall and hike up in the mountains. And there we discovered a lot of places that are far from the beaten trail. And I used to take photographs and write about them in the newspapers would publish it. And I decided instead of newspapers, which not many people read, it is better to put it all in a book. And that is how Hidden Gems of Jamaica came about. So I have these 4 books on Amazon.com. They're all available to anybody who is interested in the beauty and the language of my Bunununus country. So have yourself a wonderful day.
All fine. Yeah, listen. Almost heaven, West Jamaica, True is the mountain shining down the river. All my friends there, holding on those reeds, young and then the mountain, going like a bee.